How are you all? All are fine? Yes, let's continue with our class, children. We'll recall what you have studied all these days. You have studied S says S, N says N, P says P, T says T, A says A, B says B, M says M, R says R, L says L, O says O. Then C says K, D says D, H says H, F says F, E says E, G says G, J says J, W says V. You have learnt so many letters. Today, children, you are going to learn one more new letter, that is Y. Y says year. Y says year. Okay, this is year. Y. Okay, shall we color this, children, and make that letter beautiful? Yes. So, shall we start coloring? Yes. From here, you are going to color like this. Okay. See, huh? Like this, you are going to color the letter Y. Says year. Okay, like this. Okay. Yes. Shall we continue coloring? Yes. Can you see here, children? The letter is looking colorful. Y. Y says year is looking colorful. Right? We'll see, children, few pictures. Okay, and what they are called. That is, you can see here, Y says year. Okay, what is this first picture, children? How it looks? It looks like an animal, right? Which is that animal? That animal is yak. Okay. Yak, it is a large wild animal. Okay, it looks like a ox, wild ox. It is called as yak. Okay, but it will have a shaggy hairs. That is, it will have little bit of long hairs in its body. Okay, and it will have a humped shoulder. Its shoulder will be little bit like a hump. Okay, and it will have large horns. Okay, horns. It will have horns. Horns means kombu. Okay, that is horns. So, yak is a wild animal. Okay, it looks like a ox. It is said, it is also said as wild ox, and it will have a shaggy hair. It will have little bit long ears and a hump in the shoulder, and it will have a sharp horns or large horns. Next one, it is a yard. It is a yard. What do you mean by yard, children? It is a area, like you say angala. Okay, that is a yard. Okay, it will be in front of the building. It will be very large. Okay, very large area which is near to the building, which is adjacent to the building. That is said as yard. Next one, it is yarn. What do you mean by yarn? See the picture here. That means nothing but wool. Wool is said as yarn, which is used for knitting, sewing and all. Okay, that is yarn. Next one, it is yolk. What is yolk? What is this picture? Do you all love egg? Hope you will. Okay. Many of them will like egg, but not this yellow color, yolk. Okay. That is, inside the egg, there will be a yellow part. Right? You all have observed. Okay? That is called as yolk. Okay. Okay? Inside it will be yellow color, and the outside of it will be covered with white color, and it is, which is very rich in protein and fat. So you should have egg along with this yolk, that is the yellow part. Okay. Next one, it is yawn. Yawn means akali sudu. When you feel sleepy, you start yawning, right? Yes, akali sudu. That is said as yawn, to open a wide mouth. When you are very lazy, you will yawn when you are sitting simply without doing work. So you feel like sleeping. That is yawn. Next one, it is yo-yo. What is yo-yo, children? It is a toy which is used to play. Okay? But this toy, it has two pairs, which has a pair. Okay, it has two, no? So it is a pair, which is joined with the disc, with the groove, which is attached with a string. That is said as yo-yo. Next one, it is a yacht. Yacht. Okay, what do you mean by that? It is a boat. It is a medium-sized boat, not a big boat, a medium-sized boat, which is used for sailing. And a medium-sized boat for sailing, and it is used for racing also. Next, this one, it is a yardstick. Yardstick, you can see it's a scale, a measuring rod, okay, which has the measurement like inches and all. That is said as yardstick, children. So you came to know few words and its meaning related to Y says year. Okay. Now, children, moving on to the writing part. You are going to write the letter Y and year. Y says year. Okay. How do you write Y, children? See here. One slant line, can you see, and one more slant line joining here, then drawing one line, that is year, Y. Okay, see here, one slant line, from here again one slant line and a long line. From here you will draw a long slant line, that is Y. That is Y. Shall we trace? Yes, see here. One slant line, one more slant line, that is Y. See here, from here to here, that is Y. Again here, one slant line, one more slant line, that is Y. Here, see here, from one slant line joining here, then one more slant line from here, join it here, draw it down. This is Y. Okay, next year. See here, children, a slant line coming down. See, one curve from here coming down and a tail like this. This is year. See here, going like this and coming down. This is year. What it is? Year. See here, slant, go up, come down, curve, again come down, go up and a tail. This is year. Slant line, from there go up, coming down, a curve, then coming down, again going up and a tail. This is Y says year, like this. Okay, this is Y says year. Y says year. Okay, here you are going to write Y. See here, from the upper line, children, touch the second line, slant line, small slant line. Again from this line, a slant line to the third line. This is Y. See here, from the red line, take a slant line to the second line. Okay, leave there. Again go up to the red line only, from the top to the third line. Okay, this is Y. Y. See here, Y. one slant, one more slant, little bit longer. Now I'll put the dots, see here, from upper to the second line, here again from the upper to the third line. Okay, like this. Here I will put the two dots. Hope the dots are not required now, children. You have practiced, right? Yes. Next, in the next page also you are going to write the same Y. See here. Y. Y. Okay. Yes, like this. Next, small letter Y. See here. Here, from the third line, go up to the second line, children. Come down from there. Again, go up, touch the second line. From there, you are coming to the fourth line and tail. Okay, see here. Like this. Okay. Slant. Touch the second line, come down to the third line, again go up to the second line, come down, again a tail. Okay. Slant, go up, come down, go up, again coming down, again going up. This is year. Okay. Here, when you write the cursive letter, you will start from the third line. You are using second, third and the fourth line, children. Okay? Yes. Here, I'll put the two dots. That is from the second line to the fourth line. Okay? Like this. Next, again here, like this. Okay, year. Okay, year. Children, I have mentioned the date. This is a homework. You have to write these letters. Okay, as I told you, which are all those letters, you have to write this. Next page also. See here on 27th also. You will write till W says V. Okay. Hope you will write. Thank you, children.